Yes, my people, welcome back. Big up on yourself. Beautiful Jamaica. You see that topic here now? I am not a farmer, you know, so I should have address this. And the situation has never happened to me. Well, it happened because, but not with this specific type of animal, but I believe personally each and every cow and goat or whatever size animal is out there we can cause damage or be detrimental to motorists. Seeing, alright, I'm go up on the side of the road there to show you something. Last night, me saw one car mash up right there, so kill the cow. Yeah. See him, he lay down there, so there. Dead. Yeah. Me say vehicle mash up, but nobody fi own it. Seeing farmers, please secure animal them properly. The animal them actually a cause lives out here. They not only a mash up people vehicle. You see me I say you can't imagine you lick one goat or one cow or sick man and it takes somebody life and any idea nobody fi own the animal. You see, when you have certain kind of collision out there, certain kind of accident out there, anybody who is careless and reckless, they will be charged with manslaughter and all different kind of charges they will face. Me think these animals, me personally, let me turn around the camera me attack. Me think so the animal seen, they have to be tagged properly. If the government send out an official to come to your farm and there is one head count over and that animal is not tagged or stamped or have a specific number, saying we think the farmer could be in a problem feed. Because when the animal get where and got road, it damage what them do. There is no way to trace it back to say this animal belong to John, Tom or Harry. Nobody. Are you left with this big old loss? You understand? Again, I don't have nothing against nobody. I bounce goat already and the man walk with him goat. And when I bounce the goat, the man lay down in the bush, I can't find him. You understand? I did get the goat still, but he never cover the expenses. You understand? He never cover the valuable headlight with it mash out and the bumper with it bust and the time when I have to spend for the repair work for my vehicle. He never cover none of that. Alright, well, it cover some, but not all. It did cover 50% it damages. So, again, farmers, me not even see it out there in news that much. But me I tell you, say, it has been happening all across Jamaica, especially in a Westmoreland. Especially in a Westmoreland, people. Yeah, man. And on the road going to St. Elizabeth. You see, when you go to St. Elizabeth, heading from Westmoreland, you have to be careful, man. They have one place around there so where they call gutters around Crawford side around there. So I don't even quite remember. When you pass border, you pass Crawford and I go up. Yo, cow. When I know people, property, expensive vehicle them and all these things. Bridging, but don't want to raise livestock and all these things, man. Secure the thing them better. And you want to know why wicked is part of it? The animal them have created damage. And you can't find the owner, but make a man thief one. Make a man thief a cow, man. You will hear about him, man. He have an owner and the man want back in cow and he will tell you how much cow he lose and how much this and that and right there, but make it same cow mash up one man crown or one bimmer or one of them markets there. Regin, sort out on yourself, man. A Jamaica this man and I tell you say he think can govern a better way. You see me? Sort out on the animal them people. They're gonna please. Yeah man, much love and respect again.